All right, you have now finished the material for week 4, and all that's left to do is kind of a midterm paper. Now, this is a reflection paper on nonverbal communication. This is not a research paper, so don't feel the need to go in and research previous studies or anything like that. There's no need for a bibliography at the end. It's simply a reflection paper. 3 pages, thinking about in your workplace, the setting that you find yourself in, what nonverbal cues are you giving off, and what nonverbal cues are you receiving, and work to interpret those. See if there are people whose nonverbal cues don't match the verbal things that they're saying, and the harm that can come from that in terms of receiving that message well. This is an opportunity to reflect on your life in the workplace in particular, and hopefully grow as a result of examining yourself and the nonverbal cues you're giving. So there's more details below this video in terms of what is expected in the paper. Remember, 12-point font. Remember, full 3 pages. Nothing due on Thursday this week. All of it's due on Sunday. So you can really focus on this assignment. Nothing else should get in the way, and work hard, do your best, and reflect well. Show a depth of reflection in the paper, and I am confident you will do well. So make it a great weekend, a great rest of your week, and we'll see y'all Monday morning. Bye.